Hello all, welcome to Sarat Chandra IAS Academy. This is Vinay Kumar, Faculty of Sociology. So we are happy to announce that we are launching Sociology Rapid Revision Program. The main intention of this program is within 60 days, we are going to complete entire Sociology Paper 1 and Paper 2 syllabus comprehensively. In this rapid revision program, there will be 9 sectional tests and there will be 4 grand tests, and after every test it will be followed by test discussion. And in these classes, so we have designed these classes in such a way, before the start of the program, I am going to give you the detailed program plan from day 1 till day 60, how this program has been designed. So when you look at this syllabus, so we have divided the syllabus into 2 parts, paper 1 and paper 2, and in this we have included the test series. So in this rapid revision classes, in class 1 we are going to finish the first chapter, in class 2 we are going to finish the second chapter, in class 3 we are going to finish the third chapter. So this is how after these 3 chapters there will be a day which is allotted for revision. And what is the uniqueness of this program is, there will be, when you are revising, so there on the day of revision also you are going to attend the classrooms and you are going to sit in the classroom and revise, so such that I would be there to clear your doubts. So every day there will be class around 2 to 2.5 hours. In 2 to 2.5 hours I am going to completely revise chapter 1. We are going to discuss how sociology emerged. Okay, so what is modernity? What is counter modernity? Did modernity emerge only? What is the criticism with respect to the thinkers who portrayed that sociology emerged only from Europe? So we will discuss all these aspects. We will cover all these aspects in chapter 1 in 2 or 2.5 hours. On these lines, we are going to cover entire syllabus. After 3 classes, there will be a day off. On that, there will be a revision. After that, there will be a test, and then there will be a discussion. Again, I have allotted 3 classes for thinkers. After that, there will be first classical thinkers. I have allotted 3 classes. We will finish all the concepts of Marx, historical materialism and mode of production. Okay, all these aspects we will be discussing in one class, and then there will be a test and there will be a discussion. On these lines, I have divided the syllabus. I have done the micro scheduling such that you need not focus on scheduling for optional. If you follow this schedule, I assure you within 60 days you will finish entire sociology syllabus. Okay, so this program is designed especially for those students who have cleared mains for the first time and who are not able to get good scores after giving 2 or 3 attempts. So new aspirants who are going to write mains, and I know that like someone you would have stopped this sociology optional in December. Now you would have spent 5 months in prelims preparation, so it will be very difficult for you to restart sociology. So these classes would help you to restart sociology and quickly revise this sociology. I know many students face problems in restarting sociology, in not able to recall those core concepts. In our classes we will be ensuring. Okay, so this is how I have designed this program. And after entire paper 1 syllabus, then you will have a grand test also. Then you shall have grand test also. By July ending, entire classes is going to be finished. So there will be 28 classes for entire paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus, and there will be some 9 sectional tests, and followed by that there will be discussions. Okay, and on 6th August and 8th August you should have grand test. So this is how we have decided, we have decoded the syllabus. So we are going to give you a proper charted out plan, and with this entire syllabus will be covered. In this program, we have designed this program in such a way, I have seen that now UPSC is giving such type of questions where contemporary issues are being asked. Now, when we are talking about Gen Z protest in Nepal, so recently, so many issues are happening in the recent trend where Gen Z has been criticized a lot. Gen Z is felt irresponsible. Gen Z is felt over sensitive. So such a type of aspects might be asked. Okay, when we are talking about, now recently we saw the issue of workers aiding machines later to be replaced by them. So this we know, we have already discussed in Karl Marx. Such a type of contemporary issues will be integrated in our classes. In our classes, we are going to consolidate 1 year Yojana magazine, 1 year Kurukshetra magazine, and also all the key topics, key editorials which is mentioned in Economic and Political Weekly. You know, when you look at previous year questions, there are so many questions in sociology which has been directly picked from EPW magazine and asked in mains. So in this, if you join this program, we are going to provide you value added material. So we are going to provide you value added material. You no need to, there is a research team, we are working from past 3 months, and based on that, from the past 3 months, all the 1 year current affairs will be provided, and all the contemporary topics, new sociological insights will be provided to that. So there will be a value added in the classes. We will be providing sociological insights, sociological perspective into all the trending topics. So the value added material will be provided, integration of current affairs, and also all the major themes, major repeated themes in sociology will be discussed. Like, you know, Iravati Karve model of kinship has been repeatedly asked. Indology is repeatedly asked. So from chapter 1, emergence of sociology, every year you see repetitive questions. So such a type of repetitive questions. Unfortunately, what I have seen is, when you look at the sociology paper, 60 to 70% of the sociology questions would be repeated every year. At times it will go to 80% also. But still, many students are not able to write, not able to justify those questions. So in these classes, there will be answer writing sessions also. I will write answers along with you. I will discuss those answers. And if you join this program, mentorship is included and test series is also included. So this will be like one-stop solution for sociology. So that is the reason why it is going to be a sociology war room session, where within the classroom, if you attend my classes, if the class goes from 2 to 2.5 hours, hardly every day you need to spend half an hour to 1 hour to revise the value added material which is given to you, and half an hour to revise the classes. So if you give me daily 4 hours for 60 days, I will ensure you would score 300 plus marks in sociology. And in this program, I have observed from the aspirants that unfortunately many serious aspirants are not able to score good marks, particularly in paper 2. So in this program, I would emphasize more on paper 2. I will tell you why students are not able to score good marks in paper 1, paper 2 sociology. What is the reason? Major reason is not able to integrate contemporary issues. That is the reason why, to address that, we are providing you value added material. And why students are not scoring good marks in paper 2 is, when you look at paper 2 syllabus, it is clearly divided into 3 sections, and the students are not able to understand in which section this question has been asked, under what perspective is this question is been asked. So they are writing, very unfortunate thing is, students are writing in paper 2 general studies question. So how to make your answer look like sociological answer, that will be the core emphasis. I will try to emphasize more on jargons. I'll try to emphasize more on how to include keywords in your answers. I will try to emphasize more on how to include key thinkers in different dimensions. In these classes, we will ensure that thinkers are balanced in your answers. There will not be, you should not dump thinkers every time. Okay, so that type of balance which is needed to score good marks in sociology will be emphasized in these classes. And once you join these classes, I'll make sure that you need not focus on any other aspects with respect to sociology, because we are providing mentorship, we are providing test series, and we will provide proper curated model answers also, and there will be test discussion, and I am going to evaluate papers. Okay, so your papers will not be evaluated by any mentor. So to ensure that we are only taking 30 students in this program. So only 30 students will be taken in this program to ensure that quality is ensured. So I hope that you will use this wonderful opportunity, and this program is majorly designed for those students who always feel that there is a fear of missing out amongst themselves. FOMO is there. Like you have read from one source and you need new perspectives. So it's okay. Like if you have taken coaching from any other institute also, if you want proper mentorship and if you want new insights, new sociological perspectives, like I have seen from students after studying entire Durkheim, they could not justify why Durkheim sociology is called as a sociology of hope. Okay, when they have read Karl Marx, they are not able to explain in a simple manner what is historical materialism. Many aspirants are afraid to study research methods. I don't know why. UPSC have clearly understood that many serious aspirants are skipping research methods. That is the reason why when you look at past 3 years papers, you see from research methods they have asked more questions, and the questions from research methods have been made compulsory. So very simple topics in research methods are there, but people are the so-called market has made these topics like research methods, Talcott, Parsons very difficult. So in our classes we are going to simplify those difficult concepts, and these classes are not just important topics or important themes. Yes, we will focus important themes, but we will ensure comprehensive coverage of syllabus. That will be the primary focus. In these 28 classes, I am going to revise all the sociological topics which is there in the syllabus. I hope you will use this wonderful opportunity and make sure that this wonderful opportunity which you have got by clearing prelims, you will use it to effectively. Thank you, one and all.